You deserve more. Why are you settling for a job that you dislike and pays pennies? Trading is the path to affording the life you truly want. If you are into trading, I have a great channel where I post ready-made setups and analyze complex trades. It's all simple and clear. Join in.
The price touched the lower Bollinger Band during a strong bearish impulse. Before that, there was an attempt to form a hammer reversal pattern, but it completely failed, which shows that buyers are still weak here. For me, this is a clear signal that the market has no intention of reversing yet. The Bollinger Bands are expanding, which means volatility is growing and the probability of a further downward movement is very high. I decide to open my first contract in the direction of this impulse. In the beginning, I often made mistakes because I didn't stick to my strategy. Now, by following a clear plan, it's much easier for me to control the situation. I know it's important to know when to stop and not try to chase my losses, even if I think I can make a quick profit. Discipline helps me minimize risks and never risk more than I can afford to lose. The hardest part for me is staying calm when things go wrong. But with experience, I've learned that the best decisions come when I don't let my emotions dictate my actions. That's why it's vital to prepare your strategy in advance and stick to it. The more I trade, the more I'm convinced. Success isn't about luck. It's about the ability to maintain discipline. I'm focused on long-term results, and to achieve them, you need to learn patience and consistency. The very first trade brings profit. That's a great start and proof that we're reading the market correctly. Discipline, patience, and sticking to the plan, that's how real growth begins. Price is once again close to the lower Bollinger Band. Usually in such moments, I wait for reversal signals, but here I don't see any. No candlestick patterns are pointing to a bounce. That means sellers are still in control. I'm entering another contract with the expectation of one more bearish push downward. This is the moment where discipline matters most. I don't rush, I don't guess, I just follow the system.
So, second trade is also closest to profit. Everything is going exactly according to the plan. No emotions, no unnecessary risk. This is how you build constancy in trading.
After breaking the middle Bollinger Band, price touched the lower line. Many beginners might think this is already the end of the movement, but experience shows. When the market has momentum, it usually tests the boundary again. That's why I open another contract on the continuation of the downtrend. The system is clear, and my job is just to follow it.
So overall, I can say perfect entry, the technical signals matched, and the trade worked out flawlessly. When discipline meets the right analysis, the result speaks for itself. I often wonder which indicators are the best to choose. Join our group for honest reviews and recommendations on the top trading tools.
Price failed to reverse at the lower Bollinger Band. The hammer pattern that formed earlier was weak and couldn't stop the sellers. Volatility is expanding, which means the market is preparing for a stronger movement. I open another lower contract, aiming at a breakout of the lower band. This is a clear technical situation, no emotions, just a signal that has to be taken.
The level worked out perfectly, a powerful confirmation that a strategy is working accurately. Constantly like this is what brings trust in your own system.
Price tested the middle Bollinger Band but failed to go lower, and now it's showing signs of upward momentum. Buyers are gaining strength here. I expect an impulse up with a possible test of the upper boundary of the indicator, which works as dynamic resistance. This is a classic market situation. After failing to continue downward, the price often shifts to test the opposite side of the channel.
This is how the system works. Clean, technical setups, no gambling, classical bounce from the channel, and another profit in the account.
Several bearish candles appear, but they are indecisive, with long shadows. That shows uncertainty and often precedes a reversal. Price is still under the middle Bollinger Band, and I expect it to rise to test this dynamic resistance. I decide to take advantage of this situation and open a higher contract. This isn't intuition, it's experience, confirmed by candlestick analysis and indicator behavior.
The account is going steadily. Every trade goes according to the system. This is the power of discipline. No rush, no panic, just calm analysis and execution.
The price is trying to break the middle Bollinger Band. When the market pushes through this dynamic level, strong impulses often follow. I open the trade slightly below the breakout, using a more aggressive approach here. Sometimes the market rewards decisiveness.
The final trade closes to the profit, just from $10 to $1,000 in less than 10 minutes. That's the power of combining the tested strategy with a strict discipline. The market was read perfectly. The system worked without a single failure. This is what trading disciplines look like. I also started with $10 once and I lost it in a day. But with the right approach, analysis, and a patience, you can turn even a small deposit into something big. Discipline always pays off. Pay attention. This is what a confident trading session looks like. It's an income and confident level you can reach to. Want to know how? Click the link below and join our trader community. Are you ready for your next success? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments and I will definitely feature them in new videos. Your opinion is key to quality content. See you in the next episodes.